Okay, hey guys, this is Jasmine. I'm going to show you guys how to use Discord. So we start over here where we have our home area. You have your direct messages, who is online, who is active in a voice channel. Now let's figure out what all this means. So we're going to scroll up, and above this line we have our DMs. Below we have our servers. These are communities where a bunch of alike people get together, talk, chat, video call, screen share. I have turned Discord into a school, which is here, for the whole Caribbean. I will go where you guys are familiar with at the moment, which is the PCSG Affairs Center, which is here. And we're going to figure out the jargon of Discord. We start off with these hashtags here mean chats. These are places you can go, like for instance, GBB volunteers. We'll wait for it to load. You come down here, you can type and say hi. As simple as that. You can join these voice channels, which is the speaker icon. Once you click it, you will automatically join the voice channel, and whoever's in there can hear you. So I'm gonna join. We're gonna wait. It says RTC connecting, which means it's not connected yet. Now it's connected as it turned green. So now the people in the voice channel can hear me, and that green circle around my profile picture shows that they can hear me. Now I can turn on my video by clicking here, and it will automatically turn on my video. We'll wait for it to load. Actually, we will not due to time, but the video will normally show. We're going to turn off our video by clicking there again. Good. Now we're going to try sharing our screen. We click this button, screen. You go over here to screens. You click screen 1. You click go live. And bam. Well, we'll wait. It's just lagging a little bit. Good. Now it says over here that we are live, and that is my screen that anyone can see. To view another person's screen, you just simply go into the channel, you click live, and then you click watch stream, which should be right here. Okay, good. So we're going to leave the voice channel now. Good. Very good. Now we're going to talk about how to show whether you are online or not. Down here is your profile picture. You can choose whether you're online. Now I'm online. Do not disturb means I don't want any notifications whatsoever. Or I could choose invisible, and bam, I disappear. See, now I'm no longer there. So even though I can still see everything, no one can see me. I can still get notifications, but no one knows that I'm there. Now let's go back into the voice channel. And let's say you don't want to talk. If you don't want to talk, here is the mute button. The red line means that you're mute, no one can hear you. Click it again, they can hear you. The deafen button means now that you cannot hear them and they cannot hear you. So before, with just the mute button, you can still hear them, but they couldn't hear you. But now with the deafen button, they can't hear you at all. Leave the voice channel again. And that is it. And of course, if you want to... No, that's it for now. That's just the basics of Discord. How to use Discord. So I'm glad you guys have watched.